Hey guys, so today we're going to see how this Greenworks pressure washer works. I've been using it for about 15 minutes now. I'm up on the roof doing a little section of roofing that's attached to the house, and this little thing works pretty good. So I've done this section right here. I don't know how well you can see it, but to me it's night and day. You have to get pretty close, to get a good clean. This thing, it's on the cheaper end. It's been working good for me so far, but, who knows? Time will tell. But that's it. When the motor runs, it's not as loud as a gas-powered one. Here, I'll run it real quick. And that's it, and it turns off when you let off of the trigger right here, see? So I'll do a little section so y'all can see. And that's it. See, I'm doing this on my tin roof, and seems to be cutting the grime pretty good. Like I said, I just bought it yesterday, so we'll see how long it lasts. But for now, for the price, I'm pretty impressed with it.